it's me, Miss J. Remember how we talked all about positive and negative space last class? Well, guess what? We're going to do something with that really cool stuff we learned.
We are going to be applying some of these concepts of negative and positive space to practice by creating a drawing that puts more emphasis on utilizing the negative space, like this super cool arrow in FedEx, and putting less focus on the positive space shape.
Hey, remember this guy? And how we did the eraser drawing thing last class? What we were left with was this negative space that was suddenly a shape all on its own because of the positive space. So let's talk about enhancing our art with negative space. As a designer and artist, it's easy just to concentrate and attach yourselves to the main objects of the work, which is the subject, the positive space. So easy, in fact, that we can easily forget about a part of our work equally important, the negative space. Negative space is the space between an object, around an object, but is not part of the actual object itself. I know we've covered that, I just want to make sure you understand. But negative space can actually be used as the main subject in a composition itself. Sometimes this photo, it's abundantly apparent how the negative space is the actual subject of the composition, not the positive space, which is what we're used to seeing. But this is using the negative space as the subject. So the physical bricks surrounding the empty gap create that common symbol that most people can identify with. So for the assignment, I want you to do just that. We are going to create a silhouette shape, draw that on the paper, and then we are going to design an interesting and creative negative space that really just supports and correlates with the subject that we decided to make our silhouette. I'm going to leave the decision to draw whatever you'd like for your silhouette, but try to think of symbolism and something that you could easily create a negative space design, not just a background, not just, any old scenery thing that you want, but use lines and contour drawings to create something interesting that has a lot of texture and detail. Instead of focusing on the detail and texture of the positive space shape, which is our silhouette, we're going to be focusing on the detail and texture and design elements that we're going to put into our negative space.
Go be awesome. High five. We can do this. Hands in. Woo.